Okay, everybody, I'm back. Cooking again. What are we cooking, you might ask? But I'm fixing to tell you what we're cooking. Rice and broccoli with chicken added, chicken breast on the coleman stove, cast iron pot. Gonna put it in these 2 plates. Got my ham radio turned on. I talk on amateur radio. So let's get started. The water's already boiling. Redneck way to open your bags with an old timer, a true old timer. This is a real old timer made by Ulster, U-L-S-T-E-R, Ulster, old timer. A real old timer. So in goes the rice, and by the way guys, this is my first time making this. Don't know how it's gonna come out. Smells good already. I like chicken fried rice from Golden Dragon with a ton of soy sauce on it. I don't have any soy sauce, so it says stir in and let it simmer 7 minutes. Look at my phone, see what time it is. 6:10, 6:17, you'll be done. Call for 1 cup of water per bag. I guessed at it. I didn't bring a measuring cup out here. It said cook till soft, so I'll just let the water evaporate, and it should make it soft. Going to put my deviled eggs together. Again, there's the chicken I'm using. I'm going to put my deviled eggs together while I'm waiting on this to cook. I boil 3 eggs every evening and make 6 deviled eggs to take to work every morning for breakfast. Boiled eggs are good for you. My wife asked me for one, so I went in and put one together and carried it to her. She go,
W-E-4-G-B-I, repeater.
The repeater kicked it on the ham radio. I gotta wash this. So anyway, my wife asked for a deviled egg. I took her one. She's on the porch saying something. I'm not sure what she's saying. I want to reduce the heat. I want to turn the heat down. It's boiling pretty good. It's a cast iron pot. Croissant. I don't know how you pronounce it. Cousineau. I don't know what it is. So that's what I got going on. I'm going to add the chicken right here in a minute. I've got to test this, see if the rice is soft or not. I guess I'll have to eat it to find out if it's soft. I never cooked this before. Nope. Yeah, I ate out of it, put it back in the pot. I'm the only one that's going to be eating it, so it doesn't matter. And we have to add some water. I don't think it's going to cook. I put some more water in it. I'm afraid it's going to get dry and the rice will still be hard. That stuff tastes pretty good. I ain't never ate it before. Put the lid on it and it'll simmer. Cook the heat down. Cast iron cooking. Stove's burning pretty good. I'm going to share this in my Facebook group I created called Cast Iron. My group I created is called Camping, Camp Cooking, Fishing. Share it in a few other Facebook groups, Cast Iron Cooking. I'm going to put the deviled eggs together. I'm trying to light a cigarette. My lighter went bad. I pulled out my second lighter. I always carry a backup. So anyway, it's cooking. I'm going to check it again. Still boiling. That's a lot of rice. I could have probably got away with one bag. Y'all saw my last video about the potatoes and roast beef. Used 2 bags of potatoes when I could have used 1. But my wife and her daughter and someone else here at the house ate those taters, so they didn't go to waste. It was 8 servings. Cooking on the bed of my truck, tailgate cooking. Got my firewood up there if I want to go camping. Got a cooler, got a lantern, tripods. So actually what I'm going to do is add that chicken. I showed you the can. Well, I chopped it up some more. It was in chunks. I chopped it up some more in this bowl in the house. Kind of prepped everything in the house. I'm going to go ahead and add that chicken. Let it season in, get some seasoning in it. Boiling pretty good. Boiling pretty good here. About ready to stick on me. I'm going to turn it down some more. This coleman stove works pretty darn good. Actually better than the stove in the house. So I'm going to add the chicken. Chicken breast out of a can. I showed y'all the can. Dump that in. After making these videos, I've got to put all this, wash all these dishes. Boy, that stove's hot. I turned it down. I'm going to turn it down some more. Starting to stick around the edges, and that's the reason to be concerned here. Let's get it pulled over off the heat. Look, I turned that down, it's still blazing. Let's see if it's soft. See if the rice is soft. Okay, so I'm going to add a bit more water. Yep. I'm going to simmer that a little bit more. It's starting to stick. Again, guys, this is my first time doing this. So far, I like it. Probably going to cook it again. That stove is still burning. I've got it turned down really low. So I'm going to put the lid on, let it simmer. And it'll probably get done. I'm going to turn that stove off. It's going to continue cooking. Look at that. I turned that a long ways. I didn't have the camera on it, but man, something went wrong. I must have turned it the wrong way. So let's put these deviled eggs together here, and we'll be able to eat that rice. My wife asked me for a deviled egg. I gave her 1, so now I've only got 5 to take to work. I don't care to give her a deviled egg. This won't take but a second. We'll put that rice and chicken over there in those styrofoam plates. 1 to eat tonight, 1 to take to work for lunch. I'm going to do this as quick as I can. Deviled eggs tonight. Salt, pepper, mustard, ranch dressing. I normally use mayonnaise, but I left out the mayonnaise and added ranch dressing. I love ranch dressing. Sorry, I forgot about my camera. Probably didn't have it in the video here. A little something extra here, just boiled eggs are good for you, high in protein. For a while I just took plain boiled eggs. Recent months I just take deviled eggs. I love mustard. So I put mustard in them and vinegar, but I run out of vinegar and can't remember to buy anymore. While I was making this video, my wife's on the porch hollering at me saying something. I plainly told her I was making a video, but she kept hollering. She wanted to try the rice. She wanted to try the rice or something. So there it is. I usually scrape all that out and get a little bit more, but that's it. Got my deviled eggs made. Put them in the refrigerator. Grab them on my way out to work tomorrow. Get these dishes washed up. What I want to do is, I want to hope that's done. So I want to put it in those 2 styrofoam plates. Take my wife a big plate. Gee, that smells good. That's some good stuff. So I got these 2 styrofoam plates. I still got a plate of mashed potatoes and roast beef I made yesterday to take tomorrow. That's a lot of rice. I didn't put very much because I can't eat very much at one time. I want to do some more videos. Anybody's not subscribed to my channel, please, I ask you to please subscribe to my channel and click like on the video if you liked it. There's a lot of rice here for 2 packs. So I got me 2 plates made. I'll get me some more of these plates to put the rest of this in. So anyway, guys, I'm going to cut the camera off and see if my wife wants to come out and try this. Got my deviled eggs made. Cooking done. I'll be back. Thank y'all for watching.